Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. It is Saturday, so hope everyone's safe, staying home. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. All you gotta do is add it to your cart, check out fast, and then they'll ship this to you fast. Alright, and then clip you guys. There we go. Alright, what do we got in this big old box today, folks? Whoa. Holy moly. It's time to get serious, guys. We got a situation here. Oh, excuse me. Bada boom. Bada bing. We got a new thing. It's coming from Fostoy LED ring light. Whoa. Now this should help with the videos. I'm excited to show you guys one of these 10-inch selfie ring lights with tripod stand. We got the whole things, 3 color modes, 10 adjustable brightness, 360-degree, convenient to carry, USB supply. Whoa. And look at this. Got the iPhone ready. We got ready. I'm using the Galaxy S20 to record because I don't have a Mac yet. So I'm working on it. Possibly this year coming up. The 21 year. And this 2020. Oh, this is almost over, guys. But definitely, since TikTok I think is being banned, this would be great for Instagram, Facebook, Facebook Live, Facebook Gaming, Twitch. Mixer's gone. Of course, YouTube. We're still here. And we got some goodies. We don't need that right here. Got the manual. Hopefully it's easy to set up. It should be. So if I can set it up, you guys can set it up. Here's a good old tripod. This is a nice one. We got a mini professional studio going now. Yeah, buddy. And like I said, you guys could get yours started also by clicking the link, checking out their other goodies. We got the phone tripod. We'll let them breathe. Here we go. Ooh. Good grip. That looks nice. Very nice, very nice. We got another one. Where are you at, DJ Kali? A lot of people have these now. You see them in videos. NBA, NHL, UFC, WWE. All the big companies are using these now. So, I mean, get them at a low cost with these guys. So you won't be disappointed. Great quality made products right here. So we got a couple of those thingies. More of those thingies. This should be fun. Oh, sweet. You get a little selfie mode action with the camera. Remote. And another one for your cell phone. I think it's for different sizes, for different kinds. iPhones or Androids, Galaxies, and far beyond. So this should be a fun, hopefully a quick setup. Oh man, if I could shut this box, we'll be rocking. Alright. Put them in the background. Here we go. Now let's look at the LED filling lamp. Selfie ring light. These are really cool. I've never had enough time to get around to getting one myself. But I'm more than happy to unbox one for you guys to show you this company. And what they have. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. Nice quality right here. So we got up, down, on, off, and mode. Okay, so we got to plug that in. Careful with the light. So, okay. Boy. Okay, make sure. Filling lamp. Big old guy right here. Get him out of the bag, let him breathe. Oh, fumble. Bumbaruski. Oh, my, got it out. Alright. Dang. It's like a... Oops. Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard to... Got the hydraulic pump. Sure, those are good. See? You can adjust it as high as you want, as low. It goes pretty high though. Holy smokes. Yeah, this is like a professional studio right here. Oh yeah, these are nice ones. Got an adjuster down here. Sure, don't move. Okay. What do we need first? Like I said, this is my first time ever setting one of these up. So I'm going to put you guys on pause because I don't want to screw nothing up because this looks really sweet to do. So I'll be back. YouTube magic right about now. Alrighty guys, so YouTube magic. We are using the portable battery charger. Got it running all the way up. This thing is sweet. That's the only main part you got to use to get the light on. I forgot what it's called, but they got each term. Saddle plate, the roller knob, the buckle, cell phone holder. Now this fits all phones. You just gotta adjust these by pushing it, and it clamps on like that. I haven't set up the Bluetooth mode yet, and I got this remote for selfie mode. Okay, so I just gotta swipe up, enter my password, but really easy to set up. I just wasn't sure because I never did one of these before, so but yeah, once you look at the directions, it's really easy to start, and so you'll be good to go. So Bluetooth. Okay, I gotta go to settings on. But yeah, this is definitely really easy to set up. Settings. I gotta remember where I put it. Settings, there we go. Bluetooth. Oops, that's Wi-Fi. Okay, so you just gotta click. There we go. There's a shutter. Right. Oop. Here we go. Yep. Okay, it's connected right there. AB. That's good to go. So I can turn it up. Camera. Here we go. So if you're doing like a selfie video shoot, boom, saw that right down there. And we'll do it again. Magic of the button. Boom. And there's different modes. Right here is a, whoops, there we go. We can turn it up, turn it down. It all depends on how sensitive your eyes are. You can switch it to that color lighting. That looks nice. But yeah, this is amazing. Nice light to add to the videos now. Definitely needed something like this, so you guys could get one too. Might as well stock up and get a couple for Christmas, on and off right there. And then boom, like I said, I'm just using the portable battery charger. You can use any USB devices. Hook up to your Xbox if you're doing Twitch gaming, Facebook gaming, stuff like that. So, bada boom. This is pretty cool, guys. And it's bright though. I mean, I'm definitely using this in my videos now. So, and you guys could too. So, just check them out. Link will be down below. It's really bright. Easy to set up all the way up. And you could adjust it how far you want it down. But I think right here would be good for my unboxing videos. It's pretty bright as it is. I mean, it's still daylight, but it's raining outside. So, I mean, we got some sunlight coming in, but not a lot. Still gray outside, but yeah, it lights up pretty good, though. All right, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon.